डॉक्टर संतृप्त मिश्रा बोले।
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, for allowing me to speak on this magical and mysterious four-lettered word of Indian economy called MSME. I said magical because, sir, it contributes to 36% of the GDP, about 30 crores of employment just after agriculture. But unfortunately, you realize that there's more than 8 lakh to 10 lakh crores of money of MSME stuck in the pipeline. And I just wonder if this money was available to them, what could these MSMEs perhaps do for us in this country? But at the same time, sir, I would like to draw your attention that the bill was passed in 2006. After 20 years today, again we are revisiting this particular act. The question is, in a dynamic economic world today, can we afford to have amendment and revisiting of a law after 20 years? Let me also say, sir, that while Life Insurance Corporation was always meant to be Jeevan ke saath bhi, Jeevan ke baad bhi, there is also an LIC for MSME, which talks about licensing, inspection and compliance. That's also an LIC. And the challenge before us is how do we save the MSME from this entire process? But a broader question to my mind, sir, is that every law and every public policy framework is an indication of a country's aspiration. The question is whether this law is simply easing the problem of MSMEs or as a larger game plan on making the MSMEs equivalent of German's Mittelstand or the little giants of China so that they could be globally competitive. So what are MSMEs actually asking us? They're asking us 4 things. Number 1, pay me on time the money that you owe me. Number 2, they ask us that do not tax me until I've got the money. Number 3, MSMEs are asking us that provide me better market access. Number 4, they are telling us that do not make me run around behind the banks asking for a lot of collaterals. And finally, of course, they are saying that I would like to formalize this sector. My formalization must create better credit and better market access and not necessarily bring more of inspection for me. So, sir, I have 3 or 4 suggestions if we really truly mean to take the MSME sector forward. Number 1, we must make sure that the TRADES, the trade discounting platform, and the GST platform must talk to each other. Today they do not talk, and therefore a lot of the time the TRADES is being obstructed by big businesses in the country. Number 2, sir, I would urge that for micro enterprises, there should be an opportunity that based on cash flows, that the taxation should be done, but the accrual basis cash flow often creates a double whammy. On one side they have not received the money, and on the other side they are asked to pay the tax to the government. Third also important thing, sir, is the suggestion that I would like to leave with all of us is, in the formalization process, we must create a central agency that must support the MSMEs to formalize themselves with auditing, accounting, and all other aspects. Today, every MSME, even before they can serve their customers, they seem to be today appointing a third party to simply meet the burdens of compliance, sir. So therefore, if we really truly want to make MSMEs the backbone and not the shock absorbers of India's industry, then we need to make the reforms more meaningful rather than do cosmetic solutions which will simply be perhaps easing the pain of theirs, but not really would be making them fighting fit to be globally competitive and globally successful, sir. Obviously, there are many other ideas on MSMEs that I have for my timing, but I believe under the circumstances, I think I would keep it for another time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.